Yo, what's happening? Welcome back to the channel. Today I haven't vlogged like this in a while, but today what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and try to go ahead and get these tires put on. This is huge, bro. I don't know how I'm gonna get them in the car. I think I'm gonna throw one in the trunk and one in the front seat, but yeah, let's go ahead and see how that works out. So we got that one in there. Now let's see if we get the other one in the front seat. Yeah, probably should put it the other way, but it works. Hey, a little update on my bird. He's laid eggs up there. He ain't dropping that stuff on the car no more. Guess he was just building his nest, but she laid eggs up there, so I just left her, let her be. But let's go. Yeah, this is me right here. I miss having my truck sometimes, but it is what it is. Car's low on fuel. I need to get some E85. Yeah, but I wasn't even gonna do this, man. My girl, the one that told me, oh, you know, you should record for your YouTube channel. I'm like, bro, won't be having time for that. Nah, but I need to get back on vlogging for y'all. But yeah, let me find out where I'm going. But yeah, like I was. But yeah, I'm gonna see how these work out, man. They said 305.
3 miles, turn left onto Camp Drive.
All right, so I'm gonna see if this work out. They said 305 3519s should fit on stock wheels and should fit on a stock setup. So if that works, then I'm gonna get y'all some runs tonight. I'm gonna try to get some runs. I haven't really been like out and about because of the tire, but I'm gonna put these tires on and I'm gonna try to get an alignment soon. Alignment should be good, but I'm gonna still just double check it, you feel me? Because it drives pretty smooth. But worst case, I'm gonna just try to get a realignment. But I'm go ahead and get these mounted in balance and throw it on the car. I'll see you when I get them on, Pete. Hey, so the fitment. Hey, so the fitment with these 305s is hella nice, bro. Yeah, it's like it look hella meaty, but it looks way better than the stretch look that comes from the factory with the 275s. And it doesn't poke, but it sits good. It like sits almost flush. And this wide ass shit on there. Dude was like, you probably put 315s, but I don't know about that, bro. It clears on the inside here. It clears on the inside. No rubbing, no nothing. But yeah. Looks good. Make sure he put them on right. Yeah, he got rotation right. Nah, it's a pretty good dude, man. I bet this dude got Hinkeline. I'll put his info on the screen. Yeah. Get some runs in tonight. 315 on stock wheels. That shit looks good. I need to stop being shy when I record, but nah, 315s on that thing look good. Yeah, definitely gonna get some runs in. Niggas gonna learn today.
You guys not here?
And the fast guy showed up.
What's up, bro?
What's up, man?
Oh, that's you. What size tires are they, like 315?
No, that's...
Dude, those are fat ass tires from what I see.
Dude.
What size are those? 275?
305s?
305?
Oh yeah, I saw that on your Instagram too. That's insane.
Nah,
That's insane.
I said 315. He's like, yeah, not that
Just need
big.
to hook
Just
a little bit,
305.
bro.
I'm like, bro. Mine are burnt already.
Oh yeah, you already did that.
Yeah.
Well, shit, the car's gonna burn them anyway.
Yeah, that's true too.
I have some intake ones too. I think I could find them.
Oh shit, the intake ones look clean.
Yeah, because I gave them to, I gave a set to Tony as well. I had a shit ton of them.
Tony, who's Tony?
Your neighbor, Damon.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, because I gave him a set. And he didn't even use all of them. He like fucking, he couldn't get to one, and he just like
Yeah,
threw the rest
fucking,
in there.
yeah. That's a pain in the ass. Doing this on the RSX is trying to.
Especially with this type of
Yeah.
shit. Just go ahead and get you like a Skunk 2 Ultra, man.
Funny, bro. And these are supposed to flow about the same as the Ultra before the Ultra's ported. As long as you have a ported RBC, they flow about the same as the Ultra.
I looked up on my Ultra. It was like $400. Like,
oh shit, that's a good ass deal. Compared to like the ones I see, they're like 800.
Yeah, they're like 8.
They're expensive.
This shit is clean, though.
Man, this car is clean as
This
fuck.
shit is clean as fuck.
You tell me which car it makes?
Nah, I said like 517.
517. This is massive over here. Yeah, for sure, bro. Like, I'll run everything. He said he's gonna be at the beach, so I'm gonna ask him.
It is pretty clean. You got done to this? You got done to this? You just got it? Or you had it?
So this is my second Evo.
Yeah, mine. I got it. The one I have now is my second one as well.
Yeah, I just bought this one in December. So the body is a little rough on it, but the car underneath and everything was immaculate.
Yeah.
So very little done to it so far. Put a jack built transmission into it. It's got jack built diffs, full manifold exhaust all the way out, JDC coils, so the freaking coil unplug.